So Terragenome is an NSF research coordination network. There's a bunch of us that got together a couple of years ago. This all started, I believe, in Lyon, France, at a meeting, I think that Tim Vogel organized initially. The idea was to sequence the soil metagenome. It's an interesting way of choosing words here, because that thing probably doesn't exist. One of the big things here that is sort of dominating the early interactions is really the clash of cultures. And the people that were clashing got together, formed this RCN. The main focus is really coordinating coordinating the interaction with multiple people. We do help with organizing meetings and sessions at meetings. I'll point to a couple of things. Disseminating information is another important thing. And one example might be the metadata questionnaires that we were developing, and I was surprised by the role of feral pigs, but Jim Teegee was kind of adamant that that was really important, and that was not the metadata that I was personally prepared to collect, but it turns out that's really important. What we can bring to the table is a very comprehensive mailing list. I believe there's about 9,000 people on it right now. I might be confusing the numbers, but it's quite wide, and well, we have a bunch of pointers for tools metadata on our website, right here, terragenome.org, for those that are interested. There's also an email address on the website that you can basically suggest meetings to that we may or may not be willing to support. A couple of them that we have been doing in the past is we had some roundtables at both ISME 13 in Seattle and also recently in Copenhagen. And there's a couple of meetings coming up in October, one of them at Argonne, the other one in Cincinnati, that talk about soil metagenomics. And again, the idea is to bridge the cultural gap that divides the various communities, bring tools and sort of tool workshops to the people, and sort of just expand the scope of discussions that's going on. And that was it.